I wish they would put like their Instagram on the thing, so like when I make the video, I can tag them. Oh, that's the homie, I think. Yeah, hold up. Where is he though? Would you say they all nice?
They all nice.
I like, you know what I like? I like when it's like that, when the wheels stick out. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. They all nice.
I can't deal with you right now. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's the most dude.
Ooh, that's nice.
I know. I want to get a video. Oh, that was from down. Shit's cruising though. It's like, fuck y'all.
Because like they're not like they're literally waiting for us to leave.
Alright, so me and the homie going to IHOP. We just left JBM. I was trying to say goodbye to Alpha, but like everyone kept pulling them in like every direction. And like at first I thought he left to see like the other dude, or left with another guy, but apparently he didn't. He was in his car. But I could be wrong. I don't know. But we're on our way to IHOP. But shout out to JBM for throwing this event. And I'll see y'all in a few seconds. Alright, so change your plans. We're gonna find where the car's at. Yo, so the cops shut that fucking spot down. My first fucking time in Mexico. They fucking shut us down, bro. Like, what the fuck? This nigga's pressing shit. Cops shutting us down, bro. He makes sure everybody knows.
I said it's my money and I want it now.
What are they doing?
Like, how many days is it gonna take you to go through the green light, whore?
He's trying to fucking imitate me.
Yo, motherfuckers be behind. Like, you humbly driven? No, it's aggressive driving, bitch.
No.
I got my camera and I'ma fucking take a picture of you.
Oh my god.
And when I don't like you, I'ma put your ass in the vlog and tell people how much I don't like you.
I just fucking drooled.
You fucking bitch.
That's not how you say you a fucking bitch.
Fucking dogs keep looking at me. The fuck out of here, you fucking shit. Fucking dogs like, bitch, feed me. I'm hungry.
Yo. Oh my god.
You be fucking wild.
I be just talking to the dogs. That's all I do.
You called the dog Denzel. I was like, that's the ugly
I did
dog.
not.
That dog ain't Denzel. That's an ugly dog. That dog look more like the dog from Men in Black.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
Just in your fucking bitch.
You fucking bitch.
What the fuck are you looking at?
Look like you need a driver of your own, you fucking bitch.
Get the fuck out the fast lane.
Bitch driving about like 5. Like, bitch, you move the fuck over so. Man, put your fucking headlights on. You can drive that damn. Drive that damn slow. You fucking bitch.
Oh.
I see you.
He's logging me.
Fucking bitch.
Oh my god.
Rick James, bitch.
Rick James. I fucking leave it. Oh, he's humping the car. He's getting freaky.
Can we get busy tonight? Got a little things on my mind. Can we get busy tonight?
I can't.
That's how you know. That's how you know when you dedicated and love home.
Oh my god. Oh, I gotta fucking piss.
I love Honda.
Oh, you know, I just realized this Honda gang.
Boats and hoes.
Gang.
Boats and hoes. Don't say
Gang.
a whole bunch of gang shit. Gang. Who's on that camera right there?
Who that boy?
Who that right there?
Who that boy?
Yeah.
They're probably like, what the fuck is wrong with this people?
They're the pill, bitch.
They going to Denny's.
2 pills, bitch. Denny's.
That's what they said.
Ain't IHOP still open?
They're not listening to us. They're just down there.
There's another 92.
Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. I don't know what we're doing. What the fuck he say? This motherfucker.
Oh. Low and slow.
What the fuck? I want my lights this bright.
I like them rims.
Vroom, vroom.
Oh shit.
You should do a burnout.
You want to do something, I'm sure.
Him?
Something. Well, maybe not. I just heard her say smoke. What's your project then? 2, 4, 6, 8. Your ass on them lemonade.
He said on that lemonade.
Where they about to go? I know they about to race. They're going home. Man, fuck that. I came out.
Fucking dick licks.
Fucking asshole.
I know a place. Oh, you suck at life. Shut up, dickhead. Yeah. Yeah, I hop. Yeah, he was chilling though. He ain't fuck with her.